friends, mine is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and the confusion that we have been discussing for the last 2-3 days, okay, is still there on the chart of gold. Because if you look at the overall trend of gold, then obviously the overall market is bullish. And if you look at the higher time frames, then you can see that this is just a correction. Overall market is bullish. Means if you're a positional trader, if you have a buy on gold right now, you can continue with the buy position as a positional trader. Fundamentally, gold is always bullish, as a result of which you should always be on the buy side if you are a positional trader. But most of us are day traders, and that's why we need to focus on the present trend of the market. And if you look at the present trend of the market, then obviously we can clearly see the dominance of sellers. So the overall market is bullish and the present trend of the market is bearish. So there is a contradiction between the overall trend and the present trend. And if you look at the current market level here, we can see market is trading somewhere around 2400. So it is not clear to us whether gold will be going down below 2400, there will be a big correction, or gold will try to hold the level of 2400. So the confusion regarding 2400 is still very much present. My dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to show you something. Probably you guys have already noticed that I am not using the charting platform of TradingView. Rather, we are using the charting platform of FastBull. FastBull has recently launched their own charting platform. Till date, the fundamental analysis, the economic calendar of FastBull has been helping us, and recently they have launched their own powerful charting platform. And the best part is that their charting platform supports multiple charts and it's totally free of cost. For example, on the TradingView platform, obviously we love TradingView, but on TradingView, if you want to have multiple charts, then obviously it's a paid platform, so you need to pay on every month or on annual basis. And if you want to use multiple indicators, then also you need to pay. We cannot use more than 2 indicators on TradingView, but on FastBull's charting platform, there is no limit. You can see already I have 3 options on the chart here: Euro, USD, US dollar. And if you want everything on a single screen, then you just need to change the layout here. And as I said, you can add up to 64 charts on the screen, and everything free of cost. And you can add as many indicators that you want. Okay, obviously using too many indicators is not a good idea, but yes, everything is free of cost, my dear friends. So I think FastBull is about to change the game. So as a trader, please check out the platform of FastBull. The link is in the description. You can also download their mobile application, which is also very handy and powerful. Everything is on the description. Now let's look at the market sentiment. So you can see the gold still is ahead of key US economic data. Gold stabilized near 2400 per ounce on Tuesday after declining for 4 consecutive sessions, as traders focus on upcoming US economic data to reinforce rate cut expectations by the Federal Reserve. Gold prices inch higher with US economic data in focus. So this is the market sentiment right now. Market is mostly waiting for the US economic data. So overall trend of gold is up. Present trend of gold is down. Obviously, we can see the contradiction. But if we simply focus on the present trend of the market, my dear friends, we can see that market is in consolidation. So market is mostly waiting. That's why we can see that market is just lingering around 2400 right now. So till Thursday or Friday, we may not see huge move on the chart of gold. So try to avoid any big position. Try to follow proper risk management till Friday. Yesterday we discussed about selling opportunity below 2391, and I was on a sell below 2391, but I saw that after hitting level of 2388, I guess, okay, market went up sharply. Again, market came down, it made a low of 2384, but I could see that it was not a clean downtrend. So this thing may remain in the market right now. So yesterday market made a low of 2384. So today, if market breaks 2383, we can look for a sell position as well. Okay, we can look for a sell position below 2383. Do not expect much. Initially, you can just target 40 pips, because we have the next support around 2378 to 2375. We have already discussed in our previous videos that 237.75 is the next support. But the problem is that yesterday market bounced from 2384. So at this moment, I'm not very confident whether market will take support at 237875 or not. Okay, if the volume of the selling volume is less, if you see market is going down with less selling pressure, then we can expect 237876 to work as support. Otherwise, market may break the level and go down. So US session is going to be important. And as I said, if market breaks 2383 level with volume selling pressure, we can look for a sell position. And if you see the selling pressure is very high, then you don't need to exit at 40-50 pips. Just continue with your sell position. Okay. And on the other hand, okay, if market goes up, then we can look for sell around 2418, 2420. You can already see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support will be working as resistance. But you must be wondering that Avira's 2318, 232, 2418, 2420 is far away from the current market price. That's true. Okay, so we can also look for sell around 2405, which is the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Okay, so on the chart of gold right now, we do not have many opportunities. We have limited opportunities, so be careful. Okay, so sell below 2383 level. Okay, if the selling price is high, do not exit. Okay, continue with your sell position. But if you see the selling price is not very high, exit at 40-50 pips. If market takes support at 237875 level, if you see considerable price rejection from below, then only go for a buy position, because things are not very positive for gold right now. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, we have two selling areas, 241820 and 2405. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position considering the present weakness in the market. Then my dear friends, we also have few very risky opportunities. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so if market goes up, then okay, risk lovers can look for high risk sell position around 2411, 2412. Okay, this area. Personally, I will avoid. Okay, I will just wait for the proper reversal. Okay, yesterday on the group, okay, I mentioned sell below this area, but right now this is no longer valid. Okay, anyways, my dear friends, be careful. Okay, nothing much to discuss here. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and that's all.